Okay, today we're featuring a 2018 certified Honda CRV. It's only got 577 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, it's white, diamond, pearl in color. Alright, it is a touring, so it's going to have all the bells and whistles. We'll go ahead and do the walk around here. We'll start on the driver's side. Alright, it's got the turn signals in the side mirrors. Okay, it is also equipped with the blind spot monitoring system. Alright, and we'll show you that in just a second. Driver's side of the CRV is in great shape. Alright, it does have rear backup camera. It is an all-wheel drive. Passenger side of the CRV looks good. No issues at all. The exterior of the CRV is in fantastic condition. This is like getting a new one for the used car price. Only 577 miles on a certified CRV. Clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, it's got the beige and black door panels. Nice wood grain trim here. It does have memory seats. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Alright, it does have the beige leather seating. Power driver's seat. Got the perforated inserts there. Driver's seat is in fantastic shape. No problems at all. Okay, it is equipped with the sunroof. Alright, it does come with the 2 keyless entry key fobs. Alright, it's got remote start. And here in the center console, we got some storage here. This thing will slide back. You got your 2 USB ports and a power outlet there. Okay, you got another power outlet right here, right in front of the cup holders. Passenger seat beige leather is in fantastic shape as well. Alright, it is an automatic. It's got your heated seats, dual climate controls. It's going to have your navigation and backup camera display right here. Alright, just your push button start. Leather wrapped steering wheel. It's got the Honda sensing package. Okay. Steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. It's even going to have your collision alert, lane departure warning, power liftgate. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 577 miles on it. Now that we got it started here, go ahead and show you your home screen. Got your different apps right here. Okay, let's dim that down just a bit so you can see it better. There we go. And I'll close the sunroof. Let me help knock off some of that glare. Okay, let's go ahead and engage the navigation system. View the map. Alright, put it in reverse, show you the backup camera. Alright, and then your blind spot monitoring system, you can simply, well, actually there's no visual display on this model. It's going to light up in the side mirrors over there. When you have a car in your blind spot, it's going to light that button up. And when you see that button lit up, that means there's a car in your blind spot. Alright, once again, the dual climate controls here. Got the heated seats here and here on each side. Okay, AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good. Back seat cloth back here is in great shape. You got 2 more USB ports down here. Back seat leather is in great shape as well. No problems at all on the exterior or interior of this CRV. Hey, this thing is almost like brand new, only 577 miles on it. Alright, let's take a look in the hatch. The power liftgate here. Nice and smooth coming up. Alright. Got your plastic tray liner back here. Sunshade. The seats will simply come down with a pull of a handle here and here. Seats go down. You can take this sunshade out and you can see how much it really opens it up back here. Alright. Now the seats are nice and light but very durable. You just simply pull them back up, click them into place. Same thing on the other side. Simply pull it up, click it into place there. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got, let's see, 18-inch alloys. Okay, the nice black trim through here. 18 inches. Tires are in great shape. All right, plenty of tread left on them. Only 577 miles on them. Once again, it's a 2018 certified Honda CRV Touring, only 577 miles. Clean Carfax, one owner. It's basically getting a new CRV for the used car price. Come down, check this one out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.